All right, guys, so I'm at the Tampa Flip. Let's do a quick walkthrough. Got new windows, fresh paint. You got to put stair railing for FHA. So just a couple pieces of wood and some paint. There's the patio, front door, and here we got the living room, fireplace. We got bedroom number 1. Closet right there. New lighting fixtures throughout the house. Dining room. This is bedroom number 2. Walk-in closet. Here we have the bathroom. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. So the master suite has access to the bathroom. It's our shower. And so does the guest. No appliances. We kept the cabinets. We kept the original countertops. And here we have an outdoor patio / laundry room. That's it, guys. A small house, no fridge, pocketed in there. Did new flooring, fresh paint, painted the baseboards. Outside we have a brand new AC, new thermostat. We also put a new roof on this house. These old cottage homes are popular in Tampa. And we got it under contract for $231. Believe it or not, 836 square feet about. And we're selling this house for $231,000.